Hey everyone, we're here with Robart and Mike and a product to talk about. Mike, what do we have here in front of our eyes?
So we have the part number 190, which is our airline quick disconnects. Uh, these are awesome for those of you who are removing wings for transport. Okay, so I'll go ahead and pop this open. This does accept the Robart airline, which is the 1/16th ID. Okay, and in this package, you're going to get two males and two females. And these simply twist, you push them in, and then a little twist, and that's how you lock them together. And then a little in, a little pop, and then that will take them apart. The airline, I'm trying to get that. So in here, you can see right there, the airline actually goes inside of the larger surface here, and then there's the male end in here, and that's where your airline will go.
Ah,
And it is
okay.
barbed, and so once you get that pressed through, okay, and you have a little indicator. There's a little indicator window that you could see. You could see the airline, and so what you would do is you would have that one air in one, and then push that through, go through the indicator window. You make sure that your airline is fully inserted. And then, so for those of you who remove wings for transport, that's what these are perfect for. So you can have your air up and your air down lines, or any other pneumatic systems you have going on in the wing or anywhere else. And now you can pop your airline together, and your pneumatics are going to be working just fine. And then when you're ready to take everything apart, you pop that apart, and then whoop, there you go. Now you're able to take stuff in and out without having to press on a festo style and have to take do more actions to them.
Does the O-ring need any maintenance over time, or is it good for the next 50 years?
You can. These are rubber O rings, so you can always maintenance them with some white lithium grease, non aerosol. Just get some white lithium grease in a tube, or a petroleum grease, something to keep that rubber hydrated, and that will always help you. Just since you have the the small airline coming in here, you don't want to be gobbing that in there. You don't want this to
Right,
get
right.
gooped up with uh, grease, because we don't want that, especially taking it on and off at the field. You don't want dirt and junk getting inside of there and then gumming up your pneumatic system. So
Good point.
if you do hydrate that with something, just very lightly.
Got it. All right, everyone. And so if we were on the website,
Yep.
we
So
would.
right there on
Oh,
you at the very top, you click on catalog, and then on the left you got air couplers right there, and then go to air couplers in the flyout. Click right there. And the third one down is 190, part number
190.
190,
Okay.
right there.
You can order it, learn more about it, see another video. You can do everything here.
You got it.
All right, everybody. We have been talking to Mike from Robart, and we've been learning about the airline quick disconnect, part number 190. Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome, Jim. Have a great day.